Welcome to Parrot Key Hotel and Villas. For a seamless booking experience and more details, simply scan the QR code on your screen or check the description below. This beautiful 4-star resort is ideally located right in the heart of Key West, Florida, offering an unforgettable tropical paradise experience. Imagine waking up to serene, tranquil surroundings and breathtaking views of turquoise waters. You can relax by one of the 4 sparkling swimming pools or stroll along the private white sand beach. Check-in starts at 4 p.m., allowing for a relaxed start to your vacation. The friendly staff ensures a smooth and welcoming arrival, and with the airport just a quick 5-minute drive away, you'll be settled in no time. Speaking of convenience, you'll enjoy a complimentary breakfast each morning and free Wi-Fi throughout the resort. Parrot Key also boasts a lively bar, perfect for enjoying cocktails in the evening. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to experience Key West at its finest. Ready to escape to paradise? Remember the QR code on your screen or the link in the description to book your stay at Parrot Key Hotel and Villas now.